Hey, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. If you have a little dog, I'm sure you love them just as much as we love ours, which means you want to give them the best possible health attention. So in our case, that meant starting on this Nodens small dog hip and joint formula. So Gertrude is approaching 7 years old, almost middle age, and she was slowing down a little bit. We noticed on our walks, and as well, she was having a little bit of a harder time jumping up on furniture. So we thought we would introduce glucosamine in her diet to really help those joints and connective tissues and ligaments, and we are so thrilled by the results of this formula. In as little as 2 weeks, we've noticed that she has so much more energy. I don't feel like she's in pain anymore. She jumps up and jumps down, and she has her full energy, and we're so thrilled, actually blown away. I love the fact that you can give this to your dog no matter what age they are. You can use it as a preventative measure. If they're still young, you want to help keep those joints and connective tissues nice and lubricated. I would definitely introduce this into their diet. Or as well, if they're a little bit older or middle-aged like Gertrude, and you really want to help to reverse any of those effects of inflammation or pain in their joints, this is the product for you. I love that it is human grade ingredients, so we could give ourselves the best possible supplements, so why wouldn't we give the same to our dog? And Gertrude is obsessed. We put it into her egg whites in the morning and she inhales them. We put half a serving in the morning and half a serving in her dog food at night, and she can't get enough of the flavor. She hates pills, anything solid, but with this liquid formula, she loves it, and it absorbs really fast and effectively in her little body. So as a dog owner, I'm so happy, and the little dropper in the bottle can tell you exactly how much to give your dog. We are just so blown away by the results. I know that you and your dog will love this as well, but that's just our point of view.